What's going on, everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, Simply Pops here, back at it again yet with another video. This time unboxing the brand new iPad mini 6. Now, this is in the color Starlight. When the lady brung this out, I was like, that's it? This is the box? This thing is incredibly tiny. Now, fun fact, I'm actually using an iPhone 13 Pro to shoot the overhead of this video so you guys can get an idea on how the quality look. One thing with the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro this year, they removed the plastic, but the iPad, apparently they missed it. They skipped it here. So I am so excited for this iPad. It could very well replace my iPad Pro. And you have that new design. This thing is, yo, look at the iPad mini. This is it. And I can hold it with one hand. If I can hold this with one hand, you can. Wow. Okay. What's inside the box? Oh, and look at this. It has the power adapter included inside the box. I'm definitely going to use this on my iPhone charge test. Stay tuned for that. So I'm going to probably... Oh, but you know what? I can't use the cable because it's Type-C to Type-C. And the iPhone's is Type-C to Lightning. So I was really looking forward to this new iPad. Let's take it out this plastic. Ooh, yo, this Starlight color is so clean. This is Apple's new silver. So it's kind of like a silver gold hint to it. Super clean. Oh my god. I'm so happy I went with this color. I was debating if I should have went with purple, but this is super clean. And let's go over the setup process. Now, unfortunately, you are missing ProMotion, Face ID. You do have Touch ID embedded into the power button, and you have the volume up and down buttons on the top. Like literally, the iPad mini feels like a 13 Pro Max probably. And not to mention, I picked up the 5G model. You guys know how I feel about cellular iPads. They're worth every single penny because you never know when you're going to be in a situation where you might want to take this out on the go. Why would you limit yourself? So spend the extra money, go with the cellular. Yes, you have hotspots, but it's not always reliable. But yo, look at this color, guys. This is the cleanest color. Because it has a little pop to it, a subtle pop, but it's clean. Purple one would be clean too, but this is just like, oh. Now, the moment of truth, I want to test this out with my DJI remote, and I'm sure you guys are probably wondering this too. Instead of buying the $799 DJI smart remote, why not buy an iPad mini for $500? I'm literally gonna like be mind blown. No, it don't fit. Ah, this don't fit. Dang it, it don't fit. Close, very, very close, but it don't fit. So I have to buy like a little mount for this in order for this to work. But I definitely see myself using the iPad mini for flying my drone. You have a bigger screen than a traditional phone. And I don't want to use my phone for that anyway. Getting text messages, phone calls, and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm definitely going to use the iPad mini for that. Monitoring my camera, using it as a teleprompter like I'm doing with my iPad Pro right now. So this is the iPad Pro that I'm using to see exactly how the camera looks. Because the camera is kind of far behind. So using the iPad mini would be a little bit more efficient. Yeah, I love this mini though. And the best part about everything, Apple Pencil support is here. Yo, it kind of fits entirely of the iPad mini. Like this is so cute. Yo, look at this. And you have the Apple Pencil animation. The lack of ProMotion, it starts to be noticeable after using the iPad Pro for years, but not the biggest deal breaker in the world. And if you happen to buy an iPhone 13 in Starlight 2 as well, this is gonna match perfect. Literally 1-to-1. This is a killer combo. I really don't want to put the iPad face down, but yeah, this is like perfect. In case you guys are wondering, the volume buttons are on the side, but if you flip your iPad this way, volume up will still be volume up and down. But if you flip it this way, the volume buttons are going to rearrange too. So this is still going to be up, this is going to be down. So it's not locked into one setting. This is why I was saying on yesterday's video, I don't need the Pro Max because essentially this is it. This is the Pro Max, and arguably this is better than the Pro Max because you have multitasking features. You can't do that on your iPhone. And look, you could do everything with just like right here, like so comfortable to use. But this is just the initial unboxing. I love it so much. Long overdue. Well done, Apple. Really well done. Oh, one thing I want to test out. I want to test out Center Stage. And look, Apple is telling me you're here. So Center Stage is not even on the iPhone this year, but you guys can see Center Stage is always gonna pick up on my movement. So it know exactly where to pan. So this is gonna be perfect for FaceTime. Oh, ad.
Other internet providers not flexible enough? Well, things have changed.
And you have those stereo speakers. Yo, I'm definitely gonna be using this. Yeah, I see myself using this a lot. And I'm happy that I picked up the cellular one so I could go anywhere with it. Kind of cannibalizing the iPad Pro a little bit. Oh, you know what? I should do a pocket test. Let me see. Can the iPad mini fit? Yep. iPad mini can fit in my Nike sweats just fine. I'm definitely gonna get a screen protector to protect the screen. Let me see. Can this fit on the other side? Yes, it can. So yeah, it can fit in my pocket. So you have a big screen. And like this is basically Apple's answer to foldable phones. Like it feels like an iPhone, but an iPad. Like it's small enough to be an iPad, but it's also big enough to be a phone. So this is the perfect in between. And you have Type-C on the side, so you can be able to connect SD cards, view some photos, edit some things in Lightroom. So when you're out and about, oh man, this is gonna be so dope, yo. So let's say you're doing a photo shoot, right? You could quickly take the iPad mini out your pocket, edit a quick photo using that Apple Pencil, and you're good to go. Whoa. And hold on. I know I'm stretching this video, but hold on. So here's one from Cable Creation. It's kind of dirty. I didn't even clean it. I can use this, have some USB, I have a headphone jack, which is missing on the iPad mini, and I could be able to rock out. Or even better, I can rock out with the dock case and be able to connect SD cards connected to anything. The dock case is one of the best dongles you could buy, yo. It has a screen. It actually shows you what's connected, show you the screen resolution if you cast this onto your TV. This is dope tech right here, man. I can't complain about the iPad mini. It's gonna definitely serve its purpose. And I don't want to chat too much. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys want to see more iPad mini content and just more iPhone and Apple content in general. It's just a lot going on right now. Thumbs up, sub if you want to see more, comment down below what you guys think. And until next time, have a simple day.